Frumpy, 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 frumpy. Have you noticed how many videos there are about being frumpy? My goodness! If you want to be frumpy, I am here to give you permission to be as frumpy as you want. But if you don't, if you want to dress with a little bit of pizzazz and style, I've got a really easy trick for you. All it is, and I bet you've got it, is a white t-shirt and a pair of blue jeans and going into your closet. Check out your closet, check out the depths of your closet, and I bet you'd come up with something really cool to wear with that white t-shirt. I know I have. So go into your closet, go into the back of your closet, because I'm sure that's where they are, and find those vintage old jackets and tops that you haven't seen or looked at in years. And if you can't find them there, then go check out your local thrift shop. There are treasures to be had there. So I'm going to take you into my closet. I'm going to show you clothes that are over 10 years old and how I make them look new and fresh. All you need is a white t-shirt and a pair of blue jeans, and you're on your way. Okay, let's start with a white t-shirt, blue jeans, and, well, wait a second. The white t-shirt is from Everlane. Blue jeans are from Chico's, and shoes that are kind of, well, they're kind of like boots. I don't even know how old they are. They're that old. But did you know that cowboy boots are very in right now? And in fact, if you've got a pair of Fry boots, wear them. I don't care what you wear them with, wear them. They're all over TikTok. All of these kids are looking for Fry boots. So mine aren't Fry. But anyway, so we've got cowboy boots, we've got a white t-shirt and blue jeans. How basic is that? Now, let's make one little change. Okay, so let's start with a scarf. I love this scarf. It's from Zara, and I think it's let's see, it's really old. I mean, really old. So let's just put it on and look at how it changes the outfit. And there. We're ready to go. Okay, so this is a French workman's jacket. The French ones are blue, and this is pink. And actually, the pink is the same as the donut boxes that you buy donuts in. But look, I'm ready to go anywhere. I'm ready to go to lunch. I'm ready to go to dinner, at least in LA. And I think it's cool looking. So I'm still shopping my closet. This is a jacket that my husband gave me for one of my birthdays. I can't remember which one. There are so many of them. But here's a velvet jacket. Go into your closet, see what you've got there. I bet there's something way, way, way back there that would look, just perfect with a white t-shirt, blue jeans, and a velvet jacket. How cool is it, right? So here's a perfect example of shopping our closets. This is 9 years old, and to be honest, I didn't wear it during COVID, and I haven't worn it for a long time. But how perfect is it with a white t-shirt, blue jeans? You're ready to go anywhere and to travel. And wait a second. Now this was Eileen Fisher, and as I say, it's 9 years old, but I love it. And I bet if you don't find it in your closet, you can find something like it in a thrift store. Okay, how perfect is this? So we've got a combination of a cardigan, and you've also got the idea that this is like a duffel coat, and it was designed and created during World War II for the British Navy. And this is a variation on it. So again, this is very old. I can't even remember how old it is, but it still looks great. Shop your closet. Okay, here we've got some poncho action, and it hides a multitude of sins. So let's try it. Again, this is very old. How much fun is that? Isn't this a fabulous fabric? I love it. Isn't it beautiful? It's quite old. I bought it many years ago. And here's the story. I went down to San Diego with Elizabeth Kirkpatrick, you know, the vintage Contessa. So we went down to San Diego to go to a store called Chateau Bellage. Lo and behold, they have fabulous things there. And this was one of the pieces that I bought there. Their clothes are very bohemian, very creative, a lot of, let's see, a lot of, what would you call them? I don't know what you'd call them, but they've got a lot of them. Anyway, she has a show almost every day, and she features her clothes on Instagram show, and you can buy her pieces online. So this is a beautiful piece, and I love it. Talk about basic. This is a Levi jacket that I love, and I love, Levi on Levi, blue on blue, doesn't matter. I like it, I don't care. But again, you've got a white t-shirt. Do you think this looks frumpy? I don't think so. This just came from Scotland. Our son and his husband just went on their honeymoon on a trip to Scotland, and my son saw this on the island of Iona on a model, and he said, "This is just right for my mother." How perfect is it? I love it. Don't you love the colors? Isn't it beautiful? Where are my bagpipes? That's next. I'll take bagpiping lessons, if that's what they're called. Okay, so you've seen it. A white t-shirt, pair of blue jeans, the depths of your closet. Trust me, you're going to look fabulous.